mukha namin. Magpalamig kami ngayon. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Saan ba? Wild orchid?
Yes.
Sa likod ka na. Wild orchid po. Ay, ngi. Uy, paras tayo ah. What's that? Wow, like, nice dress.
May mga sakit kayo. Hello, Baba. Hello, my lovey.
Twinning. Saan si Dailin? Ada. Let's go swim again. Buti na lang di na mainit. Perfect. Kamalia. Ha? Sa kabila. O, sa kabila tayo. 90% ihi. 10% chlorine. Yeah. Let's go on this side. The safer side. Wow. Kumusta yung bakasyon mo, Inday? Nag-i-enjoy ka ba? Ligo na naman kami because it's hot. When it's hot, it's nice to go swim. Okay. Sits. Oh, tata.
Do you remember you pooping here? Do you remember?
Ako yung inaantok. Bye. What's that? Chocolate? Can I taste? Is it yummy? No, that's not. That's a Whopper. Whopper? Ah, this is ano. I know what it is. It's a Whopper chocolate.
I'll give it to you.
I want to try to.
Ginupitan mo ng buhok?
Yeah.
Ba't parang lumit yung buhok niya? Can you turn around?
Mababa na ngayon kasi nung una eh. Pahaba na.
Yung kay Yana din, matagal umano. Umaba. Ano na din, nag-swimsuit ka na? May swimsuit ka? Ha?
Nagapantibra lang yan siya.
O sana all. Sana all. Happy na naman ang bata.
May suso siya. Sana oh.
What about? What do you want?
Just one of the days. Chocolate.
Once a day. Yeah, where did you get that chocolate from?
When I went, my daddy's right here, but in the living room there,
And?
I see it. And after give me one, and I said thank you.
Okay, that's good, girl. Oh, bless me.
Ayan na bless to me.
Oh, bless me.
Yes, tata.
Very good. Good job. That's how you do it. Bakit yung aking isang ihikaw croquet?
Wow! What a legs.
What?
Swimmer yan, swimmer. My
I'm going to swim, Nika.
my future swimmer. How about you? You don't want to swim?
Nangyari sa legs niya. Ano mga ganyan-ganyan?
Mommy, do you bring some swimsuit?
Oh no!
Oh no, Manya is not going to swim? I thought you love water. Oh, you cannot swim.
Hi, I can make a Japan.
Bigyan mo daw yung swimsuit ni Yana. Ayan na kang mahal.
Okay. Okay, okay.
See you,
Oh, come here, come here. I'm gonna show you something.
What?
Come here. Get close to me. Oh, this one.
But where's the pants?
Why are you not going to wear like this, two-piece?
But I want to have pants too.
Di ba siya nag-ano na kasi napansin mo
Why
talaga.
not? This looks good. If you go to swim, or if you go to pool, you should wear two-piece. Some other kids, they wear two-piece, right? There's nothing wrong with that.
But I want the other one.
Oh, this is for Ayana. Ang liit naman ito.
That's so small.
Bibigyan na yan eh.
Kaya nga parang maliit man.
Pwede naman sabihin na dyan.
Wala mo nakalagay. Baka 18 months yan. Ay ano?
Bakit? Di pa naman siya 18 months ah.
Baka ano yan?
I
6
want
months.
shirts too.
Which one? Sabing ano niya?
I want a shirt one.
Black.
Black.
Imagine there'll always be.
Oh, this one? Wow, one piece? That looks cute. I want one piece too, but my stomach is too big, so I didn't wear it. Oh, you want to wear it here?
Only me and Baby Anna.
I know. Oh, come here na. Come na. Come here. Ang kapalat si Gaini. Come here na. Oh, dali na. Yan na, Malia.
You don't want to swim?
No?
Let's go home na lang.
Okay.
I want to swim.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, fashion show. Sige na, mag-fashion show ka na. Oh, fashion show. 1. Oh, what are you looking at? Marites to Marites. Oh, go swim, no? Sana all. Come on, go swim now. What do you want to do? Yeah, Yana, we're going to take a swim.
Change na nga so you can swim na.
Yeah.
I'm already wearing her.
Yeah, all I need to do is to just remove the short and then she's ready to swim.
You ready to swim, baba?
Wag mo na tanggalin pampers. Diyan lang naman siya. Para hindi tayo magka-problema. Oh, come na. How about you, Amalia? You don't want?
Are you gonna?
Okay, Malia. Yan na, go. Go there.
You jump.
But mommy, what about here?
I'm not going to swim, Mama.
Who?
What the?
Oh, what about my baby Yana? Okay, that's Ate Maya's ready to swim.
Ate Malia, Ate Malia. Ate Malia.
Going to swim. That looks cute. Oh, you go swim now with Ayana. Oh, careful, careful. Uy, uy, malaglag ay doy. No, uy, no, put her down. Put her down. Put her down. That scare me. Where's the baby Yana? Here, right here, Anna. Oh, right here, Malia. Your goggle. Wear it.
Bibigay sa'yo ayaw mo.
Ayana, just stay here.
That's not very nice.
Don't go too far. Oh, kulwagan.
One more like that, we're gonna go home.
Oh, swim, swim. Swim, swim. Oh, i-hire mo yung ulo niya, Kul. Baka makalunok, Kul. Kul, nakalunok na ng tubig.
Siya yung nagawa.
Wag, Kul.
Nakainom.
Wag na. Madumi yan, Kul. Anak. Oh, sit down there. Oh. Up. Puno agad yung pampers. Go. Splash, splash, splash. Baby Yana. Splash, splash, splash. Baby Yana.
Nice. Say, is that my barcada? Say hi.
You want to be a big sister, huh?
Where is she gonna be in 1 week?
What? It's a boy?
Yeah.
You're a big brother.
Auntie already.
Yeah, your ate. Flush, flush.
Yeah.
Flush,
One mango
flush.
juice, orange juice.
Hmm?
Orange juice, mango juice.
I want raspberry juice.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Or you want something else? No?
Anong juice? What na? Cranberry o ano? Mango, orange juice.
No, cranberry.
Cranberry, ang kulit mo kasi, mami.
It's coming. It's yours, Gus. It's yours. This is yours, the cranberry, and this is yours, the
Getting matso.
Malak, smile.
Stop, I don't want.
Nandiyan din sa kanila eh. Bye-bye.
Ate. 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 No. Oh. Oh, no, Maria, that's my phone. Oh. You too cranky. Oh, ate, okay, go, get kita. Malia. Where's Ate Malia? Ate Malia. What do you want? Ate. Ate. I don't want my baby. I don't want my baby. Bayan na siya. Bye-bye. Tingnan tayo. Mag-order ka ng pansit. You want pansit, Col?
I want pancit too.
Mag-order ka.
I want pancit too.
Mag-order ka lang, Col. Mag-ano? You go, ate. Ate. pa.
Paano to? Basa na talaga.
Huwag mong i-exit. Ay, ano mo lang sa gitna mo, tap mo, sa save na ano.
Ayaw nga oh. Basa na talaga.
Ay, lamig. Kunin mo nga ito, tapos i-save mo. Ay, ito na. Okay na, okay na. No, Malia. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Up.
Malia, are you singing? Why are you not singing?
I already peed.
You don't know.
I already peed.
Oh, why didn't you pee in the pool?
I peed.
Ano mo din na si Ate Dailin mo? Ha? Anong mayroong Ate Dailin?
Nakatingin sa akin. Maganda ba ako?
Paano ka naging maganda? Tinignan ka nga niya baba ng taas eh.
Let's take a picture na lang. Yan na. Baby, smile. Nak, smile nak. Baka masubsob yung nguso ko. Anak. Ay, ang lamig naman pag nasa taas ka na.
Mainiinom niya. Hindi ko kayang bigyan.
Saan nyo doon? Mama, will have my coffee first, anak. Malamig na yung coffee natin.
Ginaya nila sa iyo yung akin. Ayaw ko kasi nang sobrang init. Ginaya nila sa iyo.
Kaya nga, hindi naman na mainit yung sa akin.
Ayaw ko ng sobrang init yung akin. Nag-iiba na yung lasa kasi kapag sobrang init na.
Yeah.
Nasa una yung ano. Anak, there's a lot of kids over there, anak ko. You go play.
Swimming ka na daw kasi dito. Banding kayo. We're going to the other pool now. Meron bang headset ditong, ano? Rentahan?
Oh, take the yan eh. Kasyang-kasya nga lang.
Sitan na.
Wow! Wow! Ang take the. Take the yarn. Tapos pinagbibili ko pala kay...
ka na?
Ha?
Ano na, nagali ka na.
Saan?
May gutom na, oh. Bakit naging singkit ka natin, Nicole?
Umayo ako pag-gabi.
Oo, okay, nam. Okay, magnam-nam na siya.